Hi, I'm Julia Clancey and today I'm going to be doing a series of turban tutorials, and this one is the classic turban. This is the first one that I designed, so I'm going to be showing you how we can achieve this look. We get the centre back seam, we place it at the back of the head, and what we do, which is really important here, is that we grab it and we've got a good amount of tension right at the front here, right on the forehead. So this is going to stop it from slipping off. And we get it twisted once and then we twist it twice. Now if you have one of the finer turbans in silk, then you're probably going to need to twist it 3 times because it's not going to be as heavy as this. Chaps, just 1 twist. And then all we're doing, once you've got that tension there, we get it and we just place it back over the head. And the sequins literally will stick to each other and hold it in place. And then you just maneuver it round and then twist it so it's fitting to your head, making sure if you can see that. And that is how you do the classic turban.